I started off, guys, with the high. One reviewer said that it doesn't push out enough air. And I agree with her. And I was going to send it back. But I thought about it. I said, it's a small room. It's a guest room. And I laid on the bed last night. And it really, really hit my whole body once I was on the bed. So I'm guessing once you're just standing like over here or wherever you are, you really can't feel the breeze. And I'm guessing it depends how hot your home is. I have central air, but I just wanted these just in case during the winter months when it's a little cool. I live in Florida. You know, you could just put this on. And it do really push out some air where you could be comfortable. And I also notice when you have your doors open in the room, you may be getting the hot air coming through, and it's not really circulating in this area because it's, you know, coming in at the same time as it's trying to take out the hot air out the room. But I will suggest when you're in your rooms, shut your door. Eventually, I feel like with the circulation, the room will get cooler and cooler. And I'm going to keep it because once I lay down again in that bed,